Is it possible to make a profit with Parabolic SAR? Today I am going to show you the way I code an expert advisor which based on Parabolic SAR trading strategy. I did backtest on it on a daily chart for almost 2.5 years back period. You can learn more about Parabolic SAR indicator at many sources. Here, I am just gonna search the strategy related to that indicator in YouTube. Well, I picked the simplest one which using only 2 indicators. First we need an exponential moving average indicator with 100 period. We're gonna use this indicator to identify the price trend. Then we'll need a Parabolic SAR indicator with default setup. We're gonna use this indicator as an entry signal. The idea of this strategy is to open a buy position when the price moves above the EMA, and there is a dot shifting from above to below the price. We will close the current position when there is a dot shifting from below to above the price. Meanwhile, the conditions for a sell position will be the opposite of a buy conditions. Alright, now we need to open our meta editor and write the code. For your information, I use MetaTrader 5 and MetaQuote Language 5 to create this trading robot. After I finish the code, now I do a backtesting on a daily chart with the period start from January 1, 2020 to May 17, 2022. Now you can see on the second window there are two lines which represent my balance and equity movement progress. And here is the result. I put $1,000 and it becomes $2,774, which means the robot generates around 177% profit for me. The balance drawdown also hit an impressive result, which fall only 23%. Well, that's it. If you are interested to get the code instantly, please leave a comment or message. See you guys.